The Icon A5. Basically a sports car for the air. It's made by an outfit called Icon that's based in California, and they are exploiting a new FAA rule which is meant to encourage new pilots to get in the air. It's less than $250,000. In my world, that is a drop in the bucket when you're talking about a plane. So instead of buying that Ferrari, you could buy the A5, spend 20 or 30 hours of flight time, and potentially get your sport license. It's got all the carbon fiber, it looks great, great design aesthetic, and it's very simple apparently. Now, you can't fly during night, you can't fly over 10,000 feet, and only in good weather in these conditions, but basically I could take this out, head out 5 hours someplace, and have an amazing time. Obviously, it's amphibious. You can land on your private lake in Wyoming or here on the Hudson. The wings fold back so you can transport it on a trailer really easily. And best of all, if things go badly, it's
if you're on, when we're on the water, we're considered a boat.
no shit.
Yeah, so literally when we're on the water, put off the water or higher, we have to follow the FAA rules. Just glide it on in.
Oh, that is so cool.
Yeah, bud?
Oh, no, I didn't really try that out at all.
Oh, good.
Yeah, that's no fun at all. Why would you want to fly like a bird around New York City? You're skipping all the traffic. It's like kind of like a sports car. Not a really fast sports car, but it's all. A5 is, it actually felt easy. It's sort of drama-free. It was not having to talk to the tower, just making sure you don't run into stuff. But the good thing is in the air, there's not that much stuff to run into. So that is the best of both worlds in so many